So it took the West Indies approximately 2 days to surrender to defeat in the first test match against Pakistan, the shortest test match ever to be played to a result in the history of Pakistani cricket. So once again, West Indies fans have been relegated to the consolation that Jamel Warrican took 10 wickets in the match and Alec Athanaze made a half century, which is basically perpetuating mediocrity. The fact of the matter is that the West Indies team overall, and especially the batting, are awful, almost hopeless, and inexplicably, people are still arguing that this West Indies team should maintain its place in the top tier of Test cricket. I said it already and I'm going to say it again. Using performance-based merit, this West Indies team, until they get their act together, deserve to be playing in the lowest possible tier of Test cricket. I say 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 or 11 or 12.